Hello, it is the 5th of February 2011, and this is the Fibonacci upside chart, which takes the original variables from the start of the rally, where we had the bottom of 4, this top hit twice of 8. And the first, I've talked much about this first, second, third, and now this fourth level, which was hit by 12 cents, we'll say 15 cents just to make a round number, which is pretty much a hit. It was a small pierce below, as this one actually was a small pierce above. These are weekly close variables, however. Therefore, you hit a level of resistance and you're supposed to have some form. This market could very easily still work in a situation where it might trade within a range of it. It's hard to tell what's going to happen, but when you now analyze it as it's being live or current, if this level is the key bottom, or at least it's it doesn't get tested until we test this level here first, then the odds of breaking this level, because we've been there at the start of the year, would increase. Thus, the odds it's some part of a level of resistance decreases. It could still be that we find resistance and then make new lows. That could still be possible, but that's obviously not what's definitely going to happen either. And you could have resistance, and if you find, say, good support again and you come back, once again, your chances would increase again of breaking it, or that of you'd have chances of having resistance less often. And then when you break it, and you have some sort of confirmation on a breakout higher, then you can have a decent chance of testing the next level, and that one would be 50. So for now, we'll just state that if it does have a decent hold at this level, then that should be very strong towards the market, that is. And let's just take a look at the last couple of days. I did a video earlier, and I really didn't like how it went, and probably I should just left it as it was. But the significant thing was from this high and this low, there was some resistance, and well, you can see an example of what I just was mentioning there within this chart here. You have resistance. I have a decent breakout, and then, like I say, this is like we are here now. If we get the 31, okay, so you get above it. Nope. We still hold support, and the chances would keep on increasing, and then finally it did break it. This was a pattern here. You can see it was like an ascending triangle, but at the same point, the next Fibonacci level did happen to be exactly at where that top happened to be. And then you finally broke it after half an hour or so, and boom, you made it to the upside and found support at this level. And finally, I'm just going to take a quick look at the 15-minute chart, and it's done well breaking through a lot of these key levels as I've been stating onto the blog, and I was impressed on how it got above the VWAP and the 20. Then again with the 50, we could still use a pullback, but there's nothing stating why we can't have another test higher. Testing the 29, the third level, and really upwards to the 30 level even. So thank you for watching, and take care.